This 2022 Keystone Cougar 368 MBI is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 39 feet 4 inches in length and features Sleeps 10, DVD player, skylight, TV, air conditioning, LP detector, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, refrigerator, oven, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-bunk. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Cougar 368 MBI is 11,800 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.